Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to force your Wi-Fi to connect over the 5 GHz frequency only in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command devmgmt.msc and hit enter. This will open the device manager window. Expand the list of network adapters. You'll find the Intel wireless AC adapter. Double click on it to open its properties. Go to the advanced tab. Scroll down to this option which says preferred band. Change the value to prefer 5 GHz band and click on OK. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your queries. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.